So now let us consider this problem. Here we have f of x is equal to mod of sine x, and we have to find f prime of 4 pi by 3, right? So let us first see this value, that is x is equal to 4 pi by 3. So let us convert this angle into degrees. So we have 4 by 3, and here we have pi radians, and pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. So here we have 3 times 60, so this is 240 degrees, and 240 degrees, it belongs to the third quadrant, right? So here we have the quadrants. This is 0, this is pi by 2, this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2, and here we have 2 pi. This is first quadrant, second, third, and fourth. So here the point at which we have to find the derivative of mod of sine x, it falls in the third quadrant, that is the value of x, which is 4 pi by 3. It falls in the third quadrant. So here we have this angle as 240 degrees, and according to the sine convention of sine function, that is sine x is positive in the first two quadrants, and it is negative in the third and fourth quadrant, right? So now according to the definition of mod function, mod of p is positive p whenever p is greater than 0, mod of p is 0 when p is 0, and mod of p is negative p when p is less than 0, right? So here since x it falls in the third quadrant, so sine x is negative, right? Because a mod of sine x can now be defined like this: mod of sine x is positive sine x whenever sine x is greater than 0, and sine of x is greater than 0 when x it belongs to either the first quadrant or the second quadrant, right? And mod of sine x is equal to 0 when sine x is equal to 0, that is when x is equal to n pi, where n belongs to the set of integers. And mod of sine x is negative sine x whenever sine x is less than 0, that is when x it belongs to the third and the fourth quadrant, right? So here we have to make use of this part of the definition, because our x, this x, that is 4 pi by 3, it belongs to the third quadrant. So now a mod of sine x, that is f of x, can now be written as a negative of sine x, because x belongs to the third quadrant, right? So we have to make use of this part of the definition. So our function f of x is equal to negative of sine x. So f prime of x is now equal to d by dx of sine x, that is here we have cosine x. So f prime of x is equal to negative of cos x. So now taking x is equal to 4 pi by 3, we have f prime of 4 pi by 3 is equal to negative of cosine 4 pi by 3. So now we have to find out the value of cos 4 pi by 3. So we can easily find out its value by writing 4 pi by 3 as pi plus pi by 3, right? Because we have 3 pi plus pi is 4 pi. Okay, so now here we can use this result: cos pi plus theta is equal to negative of cosine theta. So here we have this form, that is pi plus theta, theta is pi by 3. So we have now minus cos pi by 3, and this negative multiplied with this negative becomes positive. So we have cos pi by 3, and cos pi by 3 is cos 60 degrees, that is equal to half, right? So f prime of 4 pi by 3 is equal to half.